weekend. Do you see someone that's familiar? Surprise one is Glitter Fun cooking set. We made meatloaf. Isn't it cute? It has a heart on it even. We also have a pizza. It has a horn on it and pepperoni for eyes. This is some milk. We drink it for the unicorns. They drink it. And this is spaghetti soup. It's the soup, alphabet soup. It is spelling Glitter Fun. This is a mitten, an oven mitten for baking the pizza. I hope we don't burn our hands. It says, I love cooking on it in cursive. And this is the other one with flowers on it. Don't you think it's adorable? And these are the rules. And those are French fries. And this is a blind bag, and that's a burger. This is the burger. Isn't it cute? And this is a s'more for when the unicorn dolls go camping. This is another blind bag. This is a toast. Another blind bag. Another one and another one. And the s'more. And let's put everything back. And that's the end of our Glitter Fun set. Surprise 2. BFFtitos. Wow! Look at them! Aren't they cute? This is the pizza one with pepperoni for cheeks.
I just want to ask you, where did you get this idea from to make these?
We got it from Cutetitos, but we didn't want to copy, so we called it BFFtitos. Isn't it the same? And it's so cute, right?
I think I see a unicorn horn.
I see it too. Do you know what it is, YouTube subscribers? It's a unicorn! She's white and fluffy. You can cuddle with her. Isn't she cute? Surprise 3, which is the last one. Whoa, Mommy got the rainbow corn one and candles for the eyes. It's a llama BFF one. OMD. Let's open it up and see. Whoa! There's a purple unicorn with a pizza shirt. A glitter fun checklist. And it also has cute stuff on it. Glittery cheese, sparkles, and more. This is the shimmer with a big rainbow heart. It has little sparkle and birthday girl cutie on there. I think that's their names. Step 1, get a laugh. Step 2, pour it in bowl. Step 3, mix it. Step 4, wait. Step 5, look at slime. Step 6, put in bleeding. Step 7, play with it. Step 8, feed the unicorn. That's the end of it. And this is the end of it. Creative. Isn't it pretty and beautiful? Be creative and make your own things out of paper. Mom's putting a check on the one she got.
I love all my goodies that my babies made me. Thank you guys. Oh yeah, and remember, if you like videos like this, what do you guys need to do?
Hit the like and subscribe! And don't forget to hit the bell. Be creative. Use your imagination. Make something for someone you love so they can know you love